Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add a token to Coinbase Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Coinbase Wallet and then you will have to tap on the receive button on the home page. Once done, you will be able to see the Ethereum address, Bitcoin address, and if you tap on other assets, you will be able to see Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Solana. So if you want to add the token that are based on the Ethereum network, then you will have to select the Ethereum address and you need to copy it from here. After that, you need to launch the other wallet in which you have that token. So let's say you have the Ethereum token in your Trust wallet. So you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and after that in the search bar you will have to search for the token that is based on Ethereum network. Let's say you want to transfer the AVE token, so you need to tap on AVE and then press send. Then you need to paste the address that we have just copied from our Coinbase wallet, and after that you need to enter the amount of AVE coin that you want to send. Then you need to tap on the next button, and on the next page you just have to confirm your transfer. This way you will be able to get the token in your Coinbase wallet. Now if you want to get the token that are based on Solana network, then you will have to tap on other assets, then tap on Solana. It will show you the Solana address which you need to copy from here. Then you need to go to any other wallet where you have your Solana coins. So let's say you have Solana coins in your Phantom wallet, so you need to launch the Phantom wallet. After that you need to press send. Then in the search bar you simply need to search for the tokens that you want to send to Coinbase. After selecting it, you just have to paste the address in this section that we have just copied, and then you need to tap on this next button in the bottom. On the next page you just have to confirm your transfer, and this way you will be able to easily add a token into your Coinbase wallet. If you want to view it, then you will have to come back to the home page and refresh the page, and you will be able to see all of the tokens on the home page. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.